Alright, today is Saturday, April 2nd, and I'm going to show you how I usually set up my bait. Okay, on this, I have a popper. It's one of the ones that I got today, and it's going to be the golden. And some of the other days, well, I got these just to cut this off, show you how I set up my rig. Some of the days I would just put on a regular lip crankbait. Some days I put on the tubes, and then also do, if I can get on stuff, lipless. Then here's another popper. It's spotted basically. Then cold water jerkbait. Sometimes do. Then an albino. And then that lip crankbait. Okay. I'm gonna show you how I set up this. I set this up before I started posting the video. But I usually, when I have a bait on, I take it and I usually cut it right there at the eyelet. Unhook it, take it over here, cut it right here at the eyelet so I don't take much off. It's off. Put it back in my box. Take this excess string and find which bait I'm going to do. This case I will put on my lip crankbait. Ooh. Ow. So just put it right through the eyelet. Alright, now thread it through. If I can see. Thread it through. Bring it up. And then just start tying it. Once that's tied, there you go. And after that, that's how I set up my rods. Hope you have a nice night.